Nestled between the world-famous Las Vegas Strip and the Mount Charleston recreational area is Skye Canyon. Skye Canyon is a master planned community that features a really large clubhouse, Olympic-sized swimming pool, large green areas, playgrounds, as well as dedicated bike lanes and walking trails to accommodate that active lifestyle. So today we were up there and we went to the Woodside Homes neighborhood and we toured a model inside the Ridgeview community. So make sure you stick around, sit back, grab a drink, and that tour is coming up for you next. Hey everybody, welcome back to another tour here on my channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at model homes and existing inventory to make the shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. Thank you everybody for stopping by and checking out another one of my tours. However, if this is the first time we've met, I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. If you do like this type of content, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single beat when I upload on Fridays. And on today's video, we're headed back up to the northwest Las Vegas Valley to tour a model built by Woodside Homes, and it features a lot of desirable things that people already want. Now, that's not to say you can't upgrade further at the design studio if you see fit. Further, this model is conveniently located between the Las Vegas Strip and the Mount Charleston recreational area, as well as very close to essential shopping and banking. Now, what do you say we get out there and get this tour started? I really love how the designer chose to decorate this home out, and I really hope you do too. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back out to Skye Canyon. Today we're checking out the Ridgeview neighborhood built by Woodside Homes, and the model we are looking at today is called the Cedar. This model features 2,004 square feet in a two-story home built to 3 or 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, either a loft or that fourth bedroom, a covered back patio, and a 2-bay finished garage. The A elevation will start at 378,490. The B elevation will start at 382,490, and the C elevation will start at 384,490. The pavers you're seeing there on the front driveway and the walkway are going to be included, as well as the front landscaping with a drip irrigation system. That drip irrigation system will be extended to the backyard for your convenience for when you decide to finish up that backyard. It says 2,004 square feet. We're going to head inside now. You're going to be immediately graded into a hallway, and there's going to be a bathroom to the left here. Really love the mirrors that they put on the wall here. It makes the hallway look a lot bigger, and they have a really interesting, I think it's a wallpaper that they have on the wall there. It looks really nice, has a nice texture and sheen to it. A little bit of a sparkle also. You'll find as we're touring this home that this house is decorated quite masculine. We'll kind of go over that a little bit later in the video. There's the powder room. You're going to get a pedestal sink in there, and the toilet will be off to the left. Very interesting wall, almost kind of reminds me of a snake in a way, or one of those infinite patterns. I can't remember what those are called, but those are really cool too. We're going to come down into the great room now. They have a little desk off to the left here. I think that's super convenient, especially nowadays in 2020 when a lot of people are working from home, or the kids are working, or the kids are going to school at home. Gives a nice workspace for that. Look at the flooring. They opted to have a wood look tile in here. You are going to get 18 by 18 inch ceramic tiles in the entry and the wet areas. The rest will be carpeted. You have the option at the design studio to upgrade as you see fit. There's a doorway to underneath the stairs there. There's a nice storage area. Into the great room, which leads to the dining room and then the kitchen. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of that particular design method. Personally, I like things a little bit more segregated rather than having to walk through the dining room to get to the kitchen. I like my dining room more off to the side. But I know that's personal preference. Let me know what you think. The home will feature a two-tone paint, and you'll be able to pick those colors at the design studio as you see fit. The two-story home is going to have 9-foot ceilings with 6-foot 8-inch doors. And that'll be on both the base and the upper floor. Coming to the kitchen now, you're going to get a Delta 2.0 pull-down kitchen faucet with a touch. You're going to actually have a filtration system under the main sink there. For drinking water that will basically like filter out some contaminants, chlorine, things like that. It makes it a little bit nicer. You're You're going to get a quartz or a granite countertop, your choice, with a 4-inch backsplash. The cabinetry is going to be 36-inch uppers with a 1.5-inch crown molding on top of there. And you have 2 color selections. I'm sure at their design studio they have more options to choose from. Going to get stainless steel appliance package, which will include the gas range, the hood over the range, and the dishwasher. You'll get a stainless undermount sink, and that pantry in there is really, really nice. I love how they have that door with the glass that looks into the pantry. Some people may not want to see all their cans and all their goods, but I think it's nice to see a pantry like that. What are you guys thinking of this model so far? Let me know in the comments below. If you're liking the video, finding it informative, make sure you like it too. It really helps out a lot. There's our entrance to the garage with a small drop zone right there, and the laundry room to the right here. You're going to get gas hookups. You have an option to include the upper cabinetry there. I do recommend that. This home was built with the structured wiring, so it does have that Cat 6 internet line running to the various points in the house, say the kitchen, the living room here, the upstairs bedrooms, the loft, wherever you need it. When I built my home, I had an option to run the wiring how I saw fit and have outlets and stuff put in all over the place. We're gonna go upstairs now. You're immediately greeted into the loft in this model. You have an option to build this out to a 4th bedroom if you choose. You have the extended upper patio there. That is an option to have included. It will also extend out the back patio on the bottom. That back patio will have pavers already installed for you. And please do note that the back patio is already included and covered as a base. With the upper patio here, it just extends it out further. The builder did opt to put carpet in the upstairs. I think they chose a really nice carpet. It has a nice pattern to it. It's a loop carpet, which makes it really easy to keep clean and maintain. This was an interesting choice to me by the builder to have the primary bedroom first before the other bedrooms. Typically, I see the extra bedrooms before the primary. It's not a big deal. It's just something I noticed. I think they did a really good job designing this bedroom too. I like how they did out the wall. The 2-tone paint with that 3rd tone on the wall there looks really, really nice. Walk-in closet here. It's not overly big, but it's enough. And then coming over into the primary bathroom here. Sun shining in the window. You get a lot of natural light in here. Really, really good look to the home. You do have an option to add a door on here if you chose to, in case your spouse is really noisy in the morning. In the primary bathroom, you have 3 options for your shower tub combo. You have, as it's built out now, just a straight up shower tub combo. You could choose to have a freestanding tub. You could also choose to have a super shower, meaning there is no tub, but just one big walk-in shower. I thought this curtain here was really interesting, kind of reminded me of chainmail in a way, especially when you're standing away from it. When you get a little closer to it, it's more like just netting. Again, you're going to get quartz countertops in here. You're going to get dual vanities, and it's also going to be an adult-sized vanity, meaning it's going to be a little bit taller than the 2nd bathroom that we're going to come and see here shortly. There's that carpet I was talking about, how it's kind of a dual hook, has a really nice pattern to it. Super easy to maintain. What do you guys think of the darker color? Let me know in the comments below. The linen closet to the left there. There's the other 2 bedrooms. I like how they decorated out the bedroom here. It looks really nice. Really, really good boys' room. Kind of going over the features of the community. We're up in Skye Canyon, so you're going to have the features of the quote-unquote Skye Life. You have the clubhouse up there that has Olympic-sized swimming pool. You have a fitness center. You have a large green area for playing games with the family or friends. I think you got a football-sized field up there, or soccer. They have community events all the time. There's other parks in the area, which I like a lot too. There's dog parks close by. Your schools are going to be relatively close as well. This neighborhood is really, really close to Smith's Marketplace, which also has shopping for like clothes and things like that. There's banks and everything close by. You're really close to the freeway access. You're about 17 miles from the strip and I think about 15 miles from the Mount Charleston Lodge. There's lots of amenities and conveniences close by just to make it a lot easier to live here. Coming into that last bathroom, you got a full bathroom here. They opted to have both vanities there. The sink height, like I was saying before, is a little bit lower. Is to more accommodate a child than an adult. Then we're going to come outside, take a look at the upper patio here, get a nice view of the mountains. Keep in mind, this view may not be maintained as they are building in the area. You might get 2-story homes or even potentially 3-story homes blocking your view. The house next to this one was a single-story home, and looking south here, that would be more towards the strip. You cannot see the strip. Just as an example. A nice sized yard though. Plenty of room to build whatever you want. My backyard, I actually have a 13-foot back wall back here that looks like it's about 10 to 12 feet. What I did is I actually put hooks into the wall and got a giant white tarp with a projector so we can have movie night out in the backyard. It's really fun. I like the barbecue area that they put out here with the standing pergola and the granite counter for the outside kitchen here. Going back to the pergola, it looks like it's built out with aluminum wood. I did that on my back patio as well. I put it up myself and it cost me about $2,200 if I remember correctly. It took me a weekend to do. It wasn't too hard, just a bit time consuming. One fun story about it, when I was putting it up, we were kind of racing against a windstorm and we looked up into the sky and off in the distance you could see this cloud of dust coming, and honestly at the time I didn't know what it was, and when it got there I was like, holy cow, we need to drill this last one on and get done. We finished it basically right as that windstorm was arriving. It was pretty crazy. But coming back to the video, we're going to kind of go over some of the designs that they went through in the home. Kind of headed back to the entryway really quick. They have that wallpaper on the wall. Really enjoy it. They have little spots of green throughout with the succulents. I feel they built this home out a little bit more of a modern masculine type feel. Let me know in the comments below if you agree. I really like this chili cook-off look with the little spots of metal cast iron and wood bowls, things like that. Really adds a nice look and feel to the kitchen. It really contrasts well with that backsplash, and you still even get those pops of green here and there throughout the home. Coming up to the loft, that world map that they have on the wall there, that really struck me as very cool. I love that idea. I kind of want to do it in one of my rooms in my house. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on the design of this home, especially this Buzz Lightyear room, as I called it. I know it's more of a NASA room. Alright guys, that's going to about wrap it up for today's tour. What'd you think? Did you enjoy the model today? Do you think the designer did a good job decorating the home? What about the floor plan? What'd you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in taking a private tour of this model, make sure you give me a call, text me, or email me. I'd be happy to set that up for you. We can get out there and tour it together. If you have any friends or family in the home buying process and you think they might like this model, make sure you share this video over to them as they might find it valuable. If there's any other homes around the Las Vegas Valley or models that you want to tour, make sure you let me know. I'll be happy to get out there with you and you could be in my next video. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.